Presenting the GMC 2016 Canyon 2WD SLE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Preferred Equipment Group 2LE, SLE Convenience Package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Premium 7-speaker audio system feature, Premium audio system, IntelliLink, radio data system, radio, AM/FM stereo with 8-color touch navigation and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.